Hey guys, this is a video to show you how I achieve lock bangs. I really love wearing them this day and age, or let me say at this length that I have. I feel like it makes me look better to have bangs, and I'm not at a point where I want to cut my hair yet because I'm always itching to want to cut my hair, so I'm trying to modify and figure out other solutions before I cut my hair and then have to deal with thinking about, but now the length is not right. So I'm gonna show you how I achieve that. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Let me know what you think, what you also do to modify and hook it up at this shorter length, I guess medium style length. I just retwisted my hair, so it's giving me the perfect opportunity to, or retightened rather, to do the lock bangs again and just live my life that way. All right, well, stay tuned. All right, all you need are some handy dandy rubber bands and a scrunchie or two just to keep your hair out the way. Super simple. You decide what layout you want, what falls best on your face, where. I still am trying to figure that out, but I'm just gonna show you at least how to do it so then you can modify on your own as well. So I'll take a section, and honestly, you don't really need a lot of hair. You just start off with like the first row. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna do like a little bit of a V type situation. So yeah, even this I feel like is too much, but we just start off, we're just gonna start off like these. Nope. Okay. Oh, why did I do that so tight? Oh, I'm cute though. Is this even even? Seems like I did this one too. Maybe even this. Let's see. We gonna see. So take this. Just use another scrunchie and just get all these other hairs out the way. Okay, so second step is for you to choose how long you want yours to be, and keep in mind, like for me, my hair is just kind of sticking out a bit from the root, so it's not gonna hang like this. It's gonna, it's gonna be shorter rather. If that makes sense. So I'll do it about here since it's gonna lay like here. Yeah, I think I found that I like them to be longer rather than shorter. So I just take the lock, I fold it in half upward, and then I just take a rubber band, wrap it around a few times, not too tight because I'm not trying to also like break the lock in half. So I wrap it around just a few times, nothing too crazy. Right at the end. And then again, so before what I did was, when I've been trying this out, I wrapped it around like so, and then I put a rubber band up top. Two, three. Again, nothing too super duper tight. I don't want to break my locks. And so there we have my first faux lock bang exhibit. I'll do it again. And you can play around. You might not need to twist up. You can kind of just let it be. So remember, again, because of the way that they lay, if there's like this extra, what do I call this? I don't know, since the lock's gonna do what it wants to do, you'd keep that into account. And so wherever it hangs at, wherever it's at like this, that's where it's gonna hang. So for this one, I don't think I'm going to even go that far. I'm just gonna do, yeah, like right here, really low, because of the way it's hanging. So we will, I don't know if I can do that. Eesh. Eesh. Wrap, my friend. Okay. So I typically wrap it like 4 or 5 times, and that's really loose. But I also don't want to hurt my hair. And then again, if you want, you can take it, wrap it around, and then do another rubber band up there. What you can also do to cover up the rubber bands or add like lock jewels. Ugh, this thing keeps messing up. Okay, there we go. You can add like lock jewels or whatever tickles your fancy, you know, to cover up their rubber band. Okay, this one is already pretty low. But am I gonna leave it? Maybe I should just leave this one. I might just leave that since it's like bouncing back like that. This one is pretty long, so I will also fold it. Let's see here, if it lays about right there. Take it, wrap it around. I like so. And then again, take it and 2, 3, 4, maybe 1 more time. Oops, oh man, I lost it. 2, 3, 4, okay. And then pull it up. There we go. So I'm going to do a time lapse so you don't have to hear all of this. Okay, so this is the finished product, and I really like it. Hold on. Hallelujah. So I can wear it down like this. Oh, hello people, hello. Do it, you know, to the side. Can have a little, wait, that was kind of crazy. What's going on there? Oh, I think it's, yeah. Have a little off to the side situation popping. Switch it up to this side. I don't really care. No, I don't like that. So these are the faux locks. I really like it, y'all. I think it goes, it makes me look a little extra, like, gives me a little extra oomph. At least that's how I feel. I don't know what y'all think, but, you know, I like it. I also have my glasses on, so maybe I could be thinking I look cute, and I don't, you know, don't say. But these bangs, like, you gotta give them a second to kind of come down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, now I'll show you different styles that I like to do with these lock bangs. I just feel like it just gives an extra oomph. Like, now I really feel like I can wake up and go, you know what I'm saying? So, number 1. I'll start off with it just being down. Number 2. Style number 2. Number 2. Uh-oh. 3. Do a little half up, half down, but don't have it in a bun. Number 4, I love these 2 buns. Like, they're so freaking adorable. This is adorable as well. Oh my gosh, so cute. Or you can throw them into buns. The little Princess Leia's. Number 6. Uh-oh, I didn't realize all these were up. I'm just gonna stick these in there. It's another cute. This one's out, but I like it. I like it. Just, you know, it's just straight back in the pony. So this is the final 2 braids into 2 buns. This one is my fave. Maybe I should put this up. Would y'all look up at it? So please let me know if you liked the hairstyles. If you're gonna give any a try, let me know. Yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Have a beautiful rest of your day. This hairstyle is so cute. So freaking cute.